That's right. Today we are messing with the short wheelbase Jacob needs truck. So the boy is gonna go all out on it. He ordered a whole bunch of parts, so trying to perfect it. I guess he took after his dad. Yeah. So anyways, man, these are the headlights he's got right now. So that's what he's running. They look pretty clean, but he wanted the daytime running lights. So this is what he got now. All right, so we'll be installing these. We'll be posting the link on the description below for the tools that I'll use, everything. So it'll be really simple for this. Should be real simple for this. You're gonna need these little self taps. These are awesome. All right, I'll put the link on this. They're actually called PosiTaps. So these are amazing. These are the best. Anyways, I'll put the link on the description below. And let's go ahead and start putting these on. It's nice because it's got like a little connection to connect all four of them. So I like that. Anyways, let's go ahead and start removing the other ones. Here they go right here. So in order to remove these, basically, bam, bam, this comes off. Put it up here. This one comes off. Put it up here. Same thing with this one. And then we'll take them off. And we had just adjusted these. All right, take out the bulb. It's supposed to turn counterclockwise, but we turn clockwise. Take out the bulb. I think these are out. We got bulbs in order, which I'll post the link on the description below as well for those. So that's how, look how clean these are. So these are gonna be up for sale. Y'all hit me up on Instagram. We're letting them go for a good price. Dirt cheap. We don't need them no more. They're brand new, actually. Look, if you guys look at them, they're brand new. All right, so if you guys are interested, y'all shoot me a message on my Instagram, on TikTok, or on right there on Facebook. Oh, okay, yeah, I guess so. I don't know why they have it connected like that. So it's just twisted. Bulbs come out. See, they had LEDs on there, but I think they're out. All right, so that's that. And then we're gonna take the bottom ones out as well. Then we're gonna have to connect this one back up. All right, so the bottom one is just, how does this come off? I don't wanna break it, especially if someone's gonna buy it. I think it's clipped on through here. And there it goes. All right, so let's take this off right here. Oh yeah, there it goes. All right, so it came off. Let's twist this off, twist this off. So this one's brand new as well. They're all brand new. All right. So all these be for up for sale. That 4 comes as a kit. Same thing on this side. In order to take it off, you gotta press this in. I think they pushed it in too much. Yeah, they did. My screwdriver. There it goes. It's out. They pushed it in too far. Alright, so is that. These are disconnected. I don't know why they're disconnected. I think they had daytime running lights plugged in before. Anyways, this is out. Trying to take it out. Is it melted or what? Yeah, look, it melted. So what happens when you go with cheap LED lights?
I said to check the oil level.
Really?
Yeah. Look, damn.
So we're about to put them back on. Make sure our lights are on. And I think all these were like because they had lights going on, like LED daytime running lights. So that's why they probably have these connections. Anyways, let's go ahead and make all these connections right now. first one. Yeah, it goes like this. There it goes. See, you don't want to turn all the way. There it goes. You're in. Same thing with this one. This thing fits super loose on there. Okay, there it goes. That's on there. Then we're gonna need this. So we're gonna slide it up here. Keep it up there. And we're gonna put this one on. We're waiting on the bulbs. So I'll be posting the link below as well for these bulbs that we're putting in here. We're putting some nice LED bulbs. We're gonna have to change out this little. All right, so here we're gonna use the PosiTaps. And the way these work, you take out the gray side. Take out the gray side. All right, it goes in the wire. So I'm gonna do the negative first, just like that. Hold it in place like that. You get the other side, just screw it in. So what this does is it punctures the cable to feed it the negative. All right, so then get the other one, do the same thing for positive. Put it in there like that. See how easy it is? Super easy. You don't even need any tools to install these. No strippers, no nothing. All right, so this goes on here like that. Same thing, just tighten it up. It'll puncture it on its own. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and connect these wires in. So the way you do it, you got your positive. All right, let's just strip it a little back somewhere. Man, who needs crimpers? Who needs crimpers? Who needs strippers? Look at that. Learn something new today. Gotta teach my boy easy ways. All right, anyways, so you loosen it up right here, loosen it up over here on this other side as well. Okay, and then so the blue wire is gonna be positive. You just slip this in.
Blue wire.
Yeah, the blue wire on the little
Oh.
plug itself. Loosen it up some more. Okay, it's gonna go all the way in. Then you tighten it up. All right, there goes. It's in. Do the pull test. Pull it a little bit. Make sure it's in. So that's in. Let's go ahead and do the negative. Same thing. Tighten it up. There it is. Do a pull test. You're good. All right. So we Gucci. Let's go ahead and push it in. Lock it in place. And make sure you have access to this one because you're gonna actually plug the headlight to this as well. So that's what I like about these things. Pretty good. There it is. It's on. Let's go ahead and bring the headlight in. So you got we're installing the headlight now. And here's the one I told you guys to keep close by. So right here, you're gonna go positive, positive, negative and negative. You can't mess up. It's just one way you're able to connect it. Go ahead and connect your headlights, which I believe, which one's low beam? Okay, 9005 is high beam. Yeah, those are the right ones.
Is this for that one? Or for...
Yeah, that one's crap. Okay, put that one in. Should be 9006s. Yeah, they aren't. They don't even fit. They suck. There it goes. Put it back in. There it goes. Make sure cables fit, everything clears. So there it goes. It wasn't going in because you had to just readjust it from here and angle everything properly. That's why it wasn't going in. So I kind of adjusted it. We need to adjust the angle of it once everything's on. So that side is in. Let's go ahead and install the other one. So they are in. Go ahead and peel the tape off. I wish Nanny was here. She likes doing this. Alright, there's that. Get the other ones. Get this one too. They look clean. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Go ahead and turn them on, see what they look like. Shoo-wee. See what they're gonna look like. Look clean though. Oh. You're gonna have to turn on the truck. Turn on the truck. Turn off the lights and put it on drive. Oh, brand new lights. What y'all think? Looks sick. Woo-wee. Catch you on the next one.